A realistic look at how many beauty empties I have as a micro influencer. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. I share beauty, fashion, and motherhood lifestyle content. So if you love that kind of stuff, please feel free to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. And if you love empties and beauty reviews, please feel free to hit that like button. Alright, so I am a micro beauty influencer. I mostly focus on my Instagram platform. So if you love to see really quick reviews and content like that, please feel free to check out my Instagram. That's mostly how I get connections through brands and get on PR lists and get gifted products. To make this video quick, I'm just going to randomly pick out products and go through and let you know if I would repurchase it again, if it was good, or if I wouldn't repurchase it again. Alright, so product number 1 is from Supergoop. This is their Play Everyday Lotion, SPF 50. I love Supergoop. I've used them for years now, and I've actually worked with this brand, so I'm just all around obsessed with the brand. This I've actually repurchased a number of times. We're currently on, I think, our 4th bottle of this. It's out by our door so that we remember to put sunscreen on our bodies, and I also have a bottle out by our back door by our pool. So I would definitely repurchase this. Next product. Alright, this is the IGK finishing oil. So if you hate the texture of like getting oils in your hand and putting it on your hair beforehand, or if you find that weighs down your hair too much or it just makes your hair extra greasy, definitely try out this dry oil. It sprays like an aerosol, makes your hair shiny and everything. Would I repurchase this? No, because I'm trying to step away from aerosol products, and it does have a strong smell. It is vegan and cruelty free. I did enjoy this, but I don't think I'd repurchase it again. Alright, next product, I'm just gonna do this big one. This is the Fanola No Orange shampoo. I have bleached in my hair, and because I have darker hair, and when it's bleached it tends to go towards the orange side, and this has been the only brand that really cancels out the orange and really helps tone my hair. I absolutely love this. You can see that it is really like purple blue. I love this stuff. I repurchase it all the time. I actually got a bigger bottle this time, and it's sitting in my shower right now. If you have dark bleached hair, definitely give this one a try. You can find this on Amazon, and I will have everything linked below. Next product, iGlow Self Tanning Face Straps. This stuff works. It works so well, and it also has hyaluronic acid, so that's a nice added skincare ingredient. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and organic, so this is probably one of the cleaner self-tanning brands on the market. I would definitely repurchase this. Alright, the Lawless Glam Guard. This is their setting spray. I would repurchase. I'll say it right off the bat. It's a great clean setting spray. It helps my makeup last all day, nice and light and fresh. It doesn't make my makeup budge or make it look any extra cakey. It really makes everything look flawless. Alright, In Beauty 10+10 moisturizer. Enjoyed it when I used it. Did I see a difference with my skin? Not really. Did it feel hydrating? Yes. But honestly, nothing outstanding, so I don't think I'll repurchase this again. But it is a nice clean moisturizer, nice and light, and it's pretty affordable. Wander Beauty Unleashed Mascara. This is what the wand looks like. I love Wander Beauty products, especially their foundation, but their mascaras didn't really stand out to me. This one's their Volume and Curl one. Honestly, it just looked like any other mascara. One thing I did like about it didn't run black underneath my eyes or it didn't flake. So overall, it's a good mascara, but nothing outstanding. So would I repurchase it? No. This is the Byro Kiwi Face Detox Cleanser. This was really nice and refreshing. It does have some exfoliating particles in it. It was definitely clarifying. It did have a nice fragrance to it. It's kiwi, so it was a nice luxurious cleanser. Did it really stand out to me? Not really, and you don't get that much product compared to other cleansers, so would I repurchase it myself? Probably not, just because I have other cleansers that I love. Alright, this is the Kosas Cloud Set Powder. Would I repurchase this? Yes, I'm actually currently using another one right now. I love this powder. It's a clean brand. It sets your makeup nicely. It doesn't look cakey, and it layers nicely with other products. All right, this is the Beauty Blender Soft Focus Gemstone Setting Powder. So I loved this setting powder. It was so pretty. It has a nice radiance to it. One thing I hated was this net thing. I even cut it open so I can really get into the product. So honestly, unfortunately, that's what's stopping me from repurchasing this product. I just feel like it just takes a lot of time to get the product out, and I'm a mom. I don't have much time to do my makeup these days, so I want something quick and will do the job. But this is a beautiful powder, so if you have time to do your makeup, definitely try this one out. It really blurs out your skin. It's so pretty, and it sets your makeup nicely. Carrot and Stick Repair Serum. This is another clean brand. I enjoyed the serum. It was nice and potent. Yes, I did see a difference. My skin didn't feel as dry as usual. It really helped protect my skin and just keep it strong. So I do love this one. It is on the expensive side, so I don't think I'll be repurchasing it, but it was a great product. Alright, Necessaire Body Lotion. This is a great body lotion, but for the price, I don't think I'll be repurchasing. If you have really sensitive skin and sensitive to fragrance, definitely try this out though. It's fragrance free, it's clean. I mean, I guess you do get a lot, but it is on the pricier side, and I do have other clean lotions that I love right now that are more that you can just find at the drugstore, so I don't think I'll be repurchasing this. But I do love it, and whenever I get the chance to work with this brand, I accept it because honestly I do love it. It's just like right now I just don't have the budget to repurchase body lotions. Like, I rather put my money, my beauty budget money, into a different kind of product, if that makes sense. But great lotion if you have sensitive skin. Alright, the Rose Ink Concealer. I love this. I've recommended it time and time again through Sephora sales and just like on my Instagram stories. Whenever I do my makeup, this has been the concealer that I would be using. It's a clean brand. It has such good coverage. It's hydrating, so it's not gonna be cakey or crease into fine lines. And I love the packaging, and overall, just such a great concealer. Alright, next one is the Ren Skincare Glow and Protect Serum. Love Ren Skincare. They are a clean brand, and their products are made with intention. And I used it during winter and springtime, and that's when my skin gets really dull, especially the change of seasons. So I love this. It kept my skin nice and fresh and glowy. Alright, the Elta MD Tinted Sunscreen. I love this stuff. It's nice and light, refreshing, especially for a sunscreen, and I love the texture of this. Would I repurchase it? No, because I'm trying to transition into more clean products, and unfortunately this isn't clean, and unfortunately don't think they're cruelty free. So it's really sad about Elta MD, but this is a great tinted SPF. Alright, my son is waking up from his nap, so I gotta hurry. Alright, this is gross. There's a hair on this. Alright, this is the Pipette. I don't know how to say that, but this is their baby shampoo and wash. I actually use baby shampoo and wash as my body wash just because it's clean, it's better for your skin. I mean, if it's safe for your babies, then it's probably safe for you. I mean, obviously. They're clean, non-toxic, and tear-free brand, and we also use this for my son, and my son has eczema and sensitive skin, so we absolutely love this. We repurchase it. We also use their body lotions, their body balm as well, so definitely a repurchase time and time. Alright, this is the Joan Rhodes mascara right off the bat. Yes, I repurchased this. I love this. It gave me so much volume, and it's a clean brand. It didn't flake on me, it didn't run black. This is one of my top 5 favorite mascaras. Alright, Pharmacy Green Clean. This is their cleansing balm. Yes, 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 I would repurchase. This is one of my top favorite skincare products. I cannot go a night without double cleansing, and this is my absolutely favorite cleansing balm. It really gets into your pores, draws out the impurities, really just wipes away all the makeup off of your skin. Definitely repurchase. Products. This is the Polish Choice Ultra Gentle Cleanser. I love this. It was nice. I kept this one in my shower and it was great, especially in the morning. It's calming. Did I see a difference with my skin? Not really, but it was just a great product to use. Would I repurchase? No, because there's other cleansers that I prefer and love, but another outstanding product from Polish Choice. Okay, almost done. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. Would I repurchase? Yes, this is actually my second one of these. It replenishes, smooths, and softens, and it's safe for sensitive skin. First Aid Beauty is actually one of the first beauty brands I've ever used, at least skincare brands. I love First Aid Beauty. They have a special place in my heart. They're like one of the first beauty brands that gifted me products, so I love them. They're fragrance free and definitely repurchase. Alright, this is the Milk Cleansing Balm. I enjoy this one, but it didn't stand out to me. It was just kind of just there to remove my makeup, but there was a lot of product in this. It's a clean brand. Would I repurchase? I don't think so, because I love the pharmacy one a lot more, but this one is a great alternative. If you didn't enjoy the pharmacy one, this one's another good one. Alright, just a few more. I have two brow products here, and they're from Revitalash. They're actually in two different colors, soft brown and cool brown, and I love them both. The payoff was really nice. They blended out nicely. Would I repurchase? Probably not, because there's other brow products that I love, but these are great. I know they have brow benefits to it, where it helps like condition your brow. Honestly, I didn't see any much of a difference, but these were nice to use. We're almost done. Kosas concealer. I love this stuff. It does have a smell to it. It's like I can still smell it. It's just like a product smell. I do prefer the Rose Ink Concealer over this, but this is a good one. It's highly loved, especially on TikTok. It definitely gives you good coverage, that dewy finish, conceals the dark eyes. I mean, I enjoyed it. When I repurchased, probably not, because there's other concealers that I love, but a great clean concealer. Alright, this is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow one. I love this one so much more than their other Shape Tape ones. I think they have like 3 different kind of Shape Tapes now, but this one is very pretty. There's still a little bit product left, but it's pretty much expired now. It just brightens up your under eyes. It's nice and light, doesn't feel heavy. And the applicator on the bottom is pretty much useless because it's just like a little dome, so I don't think it's helpful. But would I repurchase? Yes. Alright, 2 more products. I have the Pore Professional Brow Setter. Yes, I will repurchase. This is another great setting spray, but it's not clean. But I do find this to hold my makeup a lot longer. I purchased the bigger size of this because I love it, and this is what I used on like days I need my makeup to last like all day, and days where I'm wearing like a full face of makeup. This is the Sephora Brow Pencil, the last but not least product. It is a great brow gel. It's affordable. It has good payoff. It blends nicely, but I think this lasted me like 2 weeks, so I felt like I was really getting in there to fill in my brows, so it unfortunately didn't last me that long, but it is cheap, on the more affordable side. So I mean, it's a good product if you're looking for just a brow pencil that will do its job. This is a good one, and they're actually waterproof. I never tested that, but that's what it claims. Alright, that is the full empties. That is a realistic look of what I finished in the last 6 months. There were some good products, outstanding products, products that I wouldn't repurchase, and products that I would. But I hope this was helpful for you, and I feel like I love seeing empties because it's just a realistic look at what other people actually use and see what they actually love, because if they finished it, that means they can give like a full honest review. So I hope that was helpful for you if you were looking at any of these products. Today's video is extra special because I am actually doing a giveaway. So instead of spring cleaning, I did some summer cleaning, and I went through a bunch of my stuff, so I am so thankful for this opportunity to be on PR lists, get gifted products, and being on PR lists and getting gifted products, there's just an overabundance sometimes, and there's either products that don't interest me or I don't think it's gonna work for me. So I put these products aside because I want it to be loved by someone else who's gonna appreciate it. So I put a little basket here together of all the things that I think you all might love. So I'm just going to run through it. This is probably worth over $200. So first things first is these Kiss lashes. They're from the Muse collection. I have 4 of them here. They're all so pretty, but it's just not my style, and I don't often wear lashes, so I thought it would be fun to include it in a giveaway, especially now that people are going to more events, more formal events, weddings and stuff in person now. So have that. I have this eyeshadow palette from Melt Cosmetics. It's their 420 eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty, but I have enough eyeshadow palettes, and oops. One is just so stunning. It has some neutral, some bold colors to do some fun looks, but overall a beautiful neutral palette. Put this away nicely for you all. Next product is this JLo multitasking serum. It tightens, brightens, and it's pretty much for all over your body. The packaging on this is very beautiful. I've never tried JLo products, and unfortunately this product doesn't, I mean, it sounds nice, but I don't think I'll be using it often, and it's not worth opening if I'm just going to try it out. So I would rather one of you all who's going to use this more have it instead of me. Alright, we have another thing of lashes. This is from Ardell, and these are their naked lashes, and this one is their magnetic lash liner. Very beautiful lashes. Next, I have a scalp scrub from Christophe Robin. I love the scalp scrub. I purchased it twice now, and it's just a beautiful scrub. It smells so refreshing, very nice, and it's easy to wash off. So if you never tried a scalp scrub because you're worried about it washing off or intimidated by that, this one's nice and light, but really exfoliates the scalp. Alright, we have 2 Mario Badescu skincare products. This is their facial spray, and this one is the one with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. These are nice, light, and refreshing, especially during hot days. Throw these in the fridge, spray it on in the morning, or just whenever you need a refresher. And then this is their enzyme cleansing gel. Alright, we have a product from one of my favorite skincare brands. This is from Ren Clean Skincare. It's their overnight recovery balm. If you have dry skin or any dry patches anywhere on your body, this is the go-to product. It's so hydrating, and it just leaves skin super soft. Clean brand, and they are cruelty-free. Alright, I found another thing of lashes, and this is from Velour Lash, and these lashes are so luxe. Like, look how beautiful. The packaging is also stunning. Alright, we have another skincare product here, and this is from Beauty Bio. They are such a nice skincare brand, so luxe. This is their Brightening Omega Rosehip Face Oil. Next product is a scalp serum. Last but not least, I wanted to include a cute little home decor item in this little blue candle. I actually have a couple of these candles. I just get them from Etsy, and this one was just an extra gift from one of the Etsy sellers. But that is everything that is included in this giveaway. I time to time post giveaways on my YouTube, so if you don't want to miss another giveaway coming up, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video and being so supportive and loving on my channel. I really appreciate it. Even one view goes the longest way for me, and I hope one of you is the lucky winner for this giveaway. There's a lot of good products in this giveaway, especially if you love a mix of makeup and skincare. So if you want to enter this giveaway, all the details would be linked below. It's really simple to enter. Of course, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and just comment below. It's really easy to enter this giveaway. All you have to do, of course, is just subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, and just in case, I will have all the details for the giveaway in the description box below. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.